Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix allow camera access missing on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to fix this issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go to settings and tap on screen time. From here, you will find the option of content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it. Then tap on Allowed Apps and Features. After that, just make sure you enable the toggle for camera. Or you can go back and you can disable content and privacy restrictions. And by disabling this toggle, you will disable all the parental control settings of your iPhone. Now, after that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. Now from here, just select the app to which you want to give the camera access. For an example, I will select this app. As you can see, this is the option to give the selected app the camera access. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for the camera. Now if this did not work, then go to your home screen and open the selected app from the home screen. Now if the camera access is not given to the selected app, a notification will appear asking you the permission to get access to the camera. Just select Allow. Now, if this also did not work, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix allow camera access missing on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.